Hey everyone, I'm Trowa. Sorry I was grooving to the music. I just built this. Tallgeese Roll Grade. It's a fun little kit and it's fun. I liked it. I had a little problem with it, not so much, but like the head is wobbly, the arm joint connectors. If you don't get that right, you'll have problems with the top armor going on. It'll be hard. So I have to really get those arm joints like really snapped in. I did full decals for the first time. Go check it out on Instagram or Facebook. Yeah, if you want to see close pictures. But yeah, this is a fun little kit. I would recommend it people to build it. I'm Trowa. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, see you guys next time. Now back to grooving to music.